Om Shanti, taking everyone's love remembrances. When I went to Baba to offer Bhog, Baba, with a lot of love, accepted Bhog and also offered Bhog to Dadi Gulzar. They both were there, a very, very kind of loving friendship, that kind of sitting together. And then Baba said that when Baba gives you spiritual birth, from very beginning until the last day, Baba always stays with you. He stays with you to guide you, to support you, to take care of you in all different ways. First as parents, then teacher, then Sadhguru Baba is always with you. In all relationships, actually, Karan Karamanar, one is strength, one support. But for every child's spiritual journey, some children, they keep holding Baba's hand from beginning until end. But some children in between, their yoga of intellect gets connected, whether with different souls or sometimes with material things or status, something. So they leave Baba's hand. They don't feel they have left, but they kind of distance themselves from Baba. And then when there are obstacles and there are difficulties, then they tell Baba, Baba, you didn't give us help. Baba, you were not with me. But Baba said, from very first day, the first moment, I give you spiritual birth. I have to take care of you until the last moment. So Baba said, looking at Dadi Gulzar, that one of her main strength was that whole life, so many years, when Baba gave her the recognition of her part, she was holding Baba's hand all the time. So this holding hand all the time and then following Shrimat all the time never got influenced by the opinions of others, what they thought or said, but it was pure Shrimat she followed all the time. And that kept her very close to Baba. So two of them became like companions. So Baba said she didn't have any desire. She will always say, whatever Baba wants, whatever way Baba wants. So because of that, her mind and intellect were completely free. And because of that, she was able to have a very, very deep silence. Because when there are various desires and thoughts, then stages go up and down, we say things. But Daddy was very consistent in whether giving drishti to anyone or sharing something. It was all coming from her stage and experience. So that became very special role. And Baba said, you all children should also remain like that. And Baba's blessing that as Baba is as Baba is holding your hand, you also hold hand, follow Shrimad, so that you can have very, very smooth, very successful spiritual journey with all the attainments. Then Baba gave everyone very loveful drishti and helping us to keep to our promise and commitment. Om Shanti. बाबा के पास वतन में भोग लगाने के लिए गई। बाबा को भी भोग लगाना था, दादी को भी। बाबा ही स्वीकार कराते हैं। तो जब गई तो दोनों थे, बाबा दादी गुलजार, बहुत जैसे एक साथी बन करके मित्रता से दोनों बैठे हुए थे। तो बाबा ने कहा कि देखो, जब ईश्वरी जन्म मिलता है तो बाबा आपको ये ईश्वरी जन्म देते हैं, तो सदा ही बाबा आपके साथ रहते हैं, आपका हाथ पकड़े रहते हैं और हर प्रकार से बाबा आपकी देखभाल करते हैं। लेकिन कई बच्चे माता-पिता से दूर हो जाते हैं, कभी टीचर से दूर हो जाते हैं, कभी सद्गुरु रूप से दूर हो जाते हैं। कहीं न कहीं बुद्धि योग और चला जाता है, तो उनको जो बाबा के साथ का बाबा की शक्ति और मदद का अनुभव होना चाहिए, वो नहीं होता है। जब वो नहीं होता है, तो फिर विघ्न आते हैं, बहुत तरह के संकल्प आते हैं। तो उस समय वो ये सोचते हैं कि बाबा आपने हमारा साथ नहीं दिया, बाबा आप मदद नहीं कर रहे, बाबा आप शक्ति नहीं दे रहे। तो बाबा तो दे ही रहे होते हैं ना, लेकिन हमारा ही बुद्धि योग कहीं और चला जाता है। तो बाबा ने कहा कि देखो, दादी गुलज़ार का एक यही एग्ज़ाम्पल है कि जब से उसको पहचान मिली कि मेरा पार्ट क्या है, मुझे बाबा किस कार्य के निमित्त बनाना चाहता है, तब से लेके उनकी बुद्धि एक बाबा के साथ ही रही, ना किसी मनुष्य की तरफ, न किसी प्राकृतिक या किसी भी तरह की वस्तु, कहीं भी नहीं, कभी बुद्धि योग नहीं लगा। तो उन्होंने जो श्रीमत की शुरू से पालना की, इस पालना के कारण उन्हें बाबा का साथ का भी अनुभव होता रहा और बाबा से जो उनको मदद मिलनी चाहिए, शक्ति मिलनी चाहिए, तो बाबा जैसे उनकी हर प्रकार से देखभाल करता रहा। तो आप बच्चों को भी ऐसे ही लक्ष्य रखो, बाबा के साथ का अनुभव करो और बाबा को साथी बना करके अपनी ये रूहानी यात्रा पूरी करो। ओम शांति।